Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and basic network health. Make sure the TV or dongle supports Wi-Fi and that you know the network name and password. Connect the TV to power and wake it, then open network settings and scan for your SSID. If you have 2 bands, choose 5 GHz for less interference when close versus 4 GHz for longer range. Once done, save credentials and test a small stream to verify connectivity before proceeding to app installation and optimization. Once connected to Wi-Fi, update the TV's firmware and the streaming apps you plan to use. These updates fix playback bugs and improve codecs. You should sign into accounts and set streaming quality, choose auto or a fixed 720p or 1080p based on your measured speed. Make sure the router is placed for best signal or use Ethernet for stability. Also close background downloads on other devices and enable Co-S or prioritize the TV on your router if available to reduce buffering. To finish, play a full show and monitor for buffering. Run a speed test on the TV. You want about 5 Mbps for HD or roughly 25 Mbps for reliable 4K. If you see issues, restart the app, reboot the router, and if possible, switch to Ethernet. Make one change at a time so you know what fixed it. If things still fail, clear app cache or reinstall the app. Troubleshooting tip: if repeated buffering occurs, test another device to isolate whether the problem is the TV, the network, or the service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.